Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we review the latest tech gadgets. Today, we're diving into the Shrimp, a 25-key ultra mini gaming keyboard that aims to give you a mechanical keyboard experience in a tiny footprint. Let's find out if it's worth the hype. The Shrimp by Nordic Game Supply is not your typical macro pad. It's designed to resemble the left side of a standard keyboard, focusing on the keys that matter most to gamers: W, A, S, D, and the surrounding keys. This 20% gaming keyboard provides a compact solution for gamers who want a mechanical keyboard feel in a portable form factor. The Shrimp's small size makes it incredibly portable, perfect for laptop users who want to enjoy a mechanical keyboard experience on the go. It comes with a detachable magnetic wrist pad, a detachable USB-C cable, and a velvet carrying bag for easy travel. The keyboard is currently available on Nordic Game Supply's official site for €79.95. But shipping is limited to a few countries at the moment. The company is working on expanding availability through local retailers. The Shrimp features 25 keys arranged like the left half of a standard keyboard. It comes with ABS keycaps that have shine-through legends, allowing the backlighting to shine through. The keyboard is well built and durable, offering a premium feel and quality. Included with the Shrimp are a padded magnetic wrist rest, a 6-foot braided USB-C to USB-A cable, a keycap puller, and a velour carrying bag. The wrist rest adds ergonomic comfort and fits seamlessly with the keyboard. The keyboard comes in 4 color options, each with its unique style and matching wrist rest. The keycaps on the Shrimp are made of ABS material but have a premium matte finish and oversized legends. They feature a cherry profile, offering a comfortable typing experience. The keyboard comes with Gateron G Pro yellow switches, providing a tactile feel with an actuation force of 50 G. Unfortunately, there's currently no switch customization option, but a hot swap PCB model might be available in the future. The Shrimp incorporates 2 tactile push dials and 1 media button. The dials are made of durable plastic and control the per-key RGB lighting and system volume. The keyboard offers 16 preloaded lighting effects and media controls for convenient use. Currently, the Shrimp doesn't ship with dedicated software, but Nordic Game Supply is exploring the possibility of developing software with a macro recorder for future versions. However, you can still remap the keyboard using in-game menus and utilize third-party software like AutoHotkey for macros and key remapping. The Shrimp is an intriguing gaming accessory. While it's not a traditional macro pad, its compact size and mechanical keyboard feel make it ideal for gamers on the go. Laptop gamers will appreciate its portability without compromising the gaming experience. It's important to note that it's not suitable as a primary accessory for desktop setups. If Nordic Game Supply introduces dedicated software, the Shrimp could become an excellent macro pad option. That wraps up our review of the Shrimp, the ultra mini gaming keyboard from Nordic Game Supply. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews. This is Product Critique, signing off.